everyone. Today I want to show you how to make the potion Felix Felicis, or known as Liquid Luck from Harry Potter. So first you want to get a glass container or just a cup, anything really, and if you want to do this you might want to get something glass or see-through. So you're going to of course take the top off and get some lemonade, and then you're just going to pour some lemonade. I would recommend doing this over something, so in case you spill it, it won't go everywhere. So pretty much just fill it as full as you want. And then you're going to get some food coloring. Yellow food coloring. Make sure it's yellow, because any other color probably wouldn't work. And I know that Felix Felicis is pretty see-through, like water, but I was just, when you think of luck, you usually think of gold, so you want just like a tiny, tiny drop. And since the lemonade would probably be sort of cold, you're gonna get like a plastic utensil and use the end, unless it's a knife, or you can just use any other side. But, so then, you know, just throw that away, and that's it. That's Felix Felicis. And it tastes just like lemonade, I swear. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time.